Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by powering on the Ps4 and signing into PlayStation Network. Updates require an active PSN session. Check system storage under Settings Storage and free up space if needed. Aim for at least 50 GB free when Modern Warfare lists large patches. In Settings, power save, disable rest mode, or change settings so downloads and installations continue, preventing incomplete updates. Confirm your internet connection is stable. Prefer wired Ethernet for faster, more reliable. Go to the Modern Warfare game tile on the Ps4 home screen, press the Options button, and choose Check for Update or look for a download prompt when launching the game. When the system prompts to download, press X to confirm and accept any on-screen terms or EULA to begin. Open Notifications downloads to monitor the progress bar and % complete. The system will show estimated time remaining. If the update stalls, pause and resume the download, or cancel and retry after restarting your router and console. After the download reaches 100%, the Ps4 typically begins installation automatically. Allow several minutes for file verification and installation to complete. If the update fails or shows errors, power off the console, restart it, and attempt the download again. As a last resort, boot safe mode and choose Rebuild Database before retrying. When installation and verification finish, launch Modern Warfare from the home screen. The game may run an internal patch check, and then grant access to online or single-player modes once all mandatory updates are accepted and installed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.